Welcome to this guided meditation for stress reduction using thought awareness. Stress is a part of our lives, and sometimes it can be overwhelming. When stress builds up, it can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. However, with the right techniques, we can learn to manage stress and find peace amidst of the chaos. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Take a moment to feel the tension in your body and then let it go as you exhale. Repeat this a few more times until you feel relaxed. Now, bring your attention to your thoughts. Notice the thoughts that came to your mind, but you don't engage with them. Instead, imagine yourself as a witness to your thoughts, observing them as they come and go. If your mind wanders, simply bring your attention back to your breath and start again. As you focus on your breath, notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Now, let's bring our attention to any stressful or negative thoughts that may be present. Notice the thought, but don't judge it or engage with it. Simply observe it and let it go. If the thought persists, try labeling it as a thought and then bringing your attention back to your breath. As you continue to practice this technique, you may notice that your thoughts become less overwhelming and more manageable. Remember that it is natural for your mind to wander. So do not get frustrated if you find yourself getting caught up in your thoughts. Simply acknowledge it and bring your attention back to your breath. As we continue this meditation, I want you to focus on the sensation of your breath. Notice the way the air moves in and out of your body. The feeling of your chest expanding and contracting. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Now, let's take a moment to scan your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and bring your attention to them. Imagine sending your breath to these areas, allowing them to relax and release any tension. As we continue this meditation, I want you to bring your attention back to your thoughts. Notice any patterns or themes that may be present in your thoughts. Do you tend to focus on negative thoughts? Or do you find yourself worrying about the future? Simply observe these patterns without judgment. If you notice any negative or stressful thoughts, try to reframe them in a more positive light. For example, if you are worried about a deadline at work, remind yourself that you have successfully completed similar tasks in the past and you have the skills to handle it. As we come to the end of this meditation, I want you to take a moment to reflect on how you feel. Notice any changes in thoughts or emotions. You may feel more relaxed, calmer, or more centered. Thank you for joining me today for this guided meditation for stress reduction using thought awareness. Remember that the mindful is a practice. And with regular practice, you can become more skilled at managing your thoughts and emotions. Take a few moments each day to observe your thoughts and cultivate a sense of detachment from them. Until next time, be kind to yourself and stay centered.